Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the question, are scratches covered under Aura's warranty policy? So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Oura Ring. So I have the Generation 3, and already there's some scratches. So even I've been wondering, does the warranty policy actually cover scratches? And so to simply put, scratches or other damage caused by wear and tear is unfortunately not covered by Aura's warranty policy. Now, to help prevent scratches and increase the longevity of your Oura Ring, it is recommended that you wear your Oura Ring on your non-dominant hand to prevent its usage. So what I mean by that is if I'm right-handed, ideally you want to wear your Oura Ring on your left hand. In addition to that, you also want to prevent yourself from wearing any adjacent rings. So if I have another ring here, you basically just don't want to make it so that both these rings touch, leading it to actually going to get scratched. In addition, anytime you're doing it, for me specifically, any workout activities like rock climbing or lifting weights, you want to make sure that you remove your Oura Ring. So basically any situations that involve friction, that is what you're going to do and remove your Oura Ring in order to prevent scratch prevention. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best answer I can give you for this question. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually answer this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.